Let's cook, friends. So I have 2 scotch bonnet chilies for some heat, ginger paste, stock cube, green herb and spice blend, garlic paste, onion chopped, all going into the blender. I also add my tomato paste right now because this is going to become our marinade, okay? And it's also going to eventually become the broth around the soup. I add my crushed black pepper and some salt as well. Now I also add a little bit of water so we can blend this to a smooth puree texture. The entire point of sharing this video in the first place, friends, is to show how quick and how easy you can whip up any kind of soup, especially light soup, all right? So I have my chicken. Chicken is cleaned. I have some wings, some thighs, and some drums. Pour the marinade onto it. And then also add some fresh basil, because what is chicken light soup without the akoko besan oil kuwe? You have to add it in there. And you saw that I bruised it a little bit, and that was just to help release its fragrance into the chicken immediately. And set it on medium heat and begin cooking. We're going to cook for the next 12 minutes with the lid on and undisturbed. I must add that the type of chicken being used today is the broiler version. It's softer, so it cooks faster, and it is also organic, so it's tasty. Now see that the fat has separated itself and it's lingering on the surface of the sauce, which is thickened and concentrated. So we know it's time to add our water to thin up the broth. All right, because light soup is exactly that. It is light in consistency. All right, so add some water and stir it up to combine perfectly. We're almost nearing the conclusion of this soup preparation. All right, so now you're going to keep cooking on medium heat for the next 15 minutes or so. The oil will resurface again, indicating that the soup is done cooking. All right, the chicken is cooked to the bone. The soup is brothy and it is super flavorful, and it's ready to be served over your fufu. You can also have this with whatever you choose, yam, or just have it on its own. Perfection. This soup was cooked under 40 minutes. And it was hug your mama delicious, friends. I hope you learned a thing or two and are inspired to try this quick, tasty, and absolutely enjoyable chicken light soup. I'd like to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers for all your love and support that you continue to shower on this channel. If you're not subscribed yet, I hope that this right here encourages you and moves you to do so. Thank you again for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.